In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Netflix app not working. Now first what you want to do is head over to Microsoft Store right here. And from in here what you want to do is go to your library. Down here you want to click Get Updates and update anything that you need updated. Now if there's an important update for Netflix, it's important that you get that one. After that what you want to do is come down here and search for Apps, Features. In here you want to search for Netflix. Click on Netflix, Advanced Options. In here you want to press Terminate to make sure Netflix is not running. After that you want to press Reset, and once it's done resetting, you're just gonna close this down. Now after that what you want to do is come down here and search for Run, press Enter. In here press %temp%, open it up. From in here you want to delete everything. If this pops up, just check this and press Skip. And the ones that you cannot delete, you're just gonna leave them in here, just like that. Now once you've done that, you want to search for VPN and check if you have a VPN on. Sometimes the VPN can cause issues with the Netflix app, so make sure you disconnect from your VPN and check if it works then. After that, what you want to do is come down here, search for Run again, and this time you're gonna type in wsreset.exe. Close down your Microsoft Store before you do this, and then type it. Now what this will do is it will reset your Microsoft Store, and this can help fix the issue. Now after that, if nothing else works, what you can do is simply come down here, search for Apps and Features, search for Netflix, uninstall it, and then reinstall it. Now if that still doesn't work, try instead of using the app, just go to their website and use the web browser instead of the app. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.